that facility. Nataka nione tu mchana.
It has improved.
Since when?
It has improved since when Dr. Morebu came. We have started to improve our revenue collection.
Okay.
Yes. At least we are somewhere. Yes.
South Murango iko wapi? Zakari, you are who? Angima, you're the one I chased away from here. Umekuwa mtu mzuri huko?
You started changing, Your Excellency.
Angima, you know you were to go home. But again, kama umekuwa mtu mzuri, that is a good thing. Were you baptized?
I am.
When?
07.
Since I sent you away from here, were you baptized?
Yeah.
Angima, kuwa mtu mzuri. Eh? You know, we are serving these people, and those people, they are very poor. They are people who need our services. Save you, you have some little coin, you are paid as salary. Those people, they don't have anything. Eh? What are you now there at Nyamarambe?
There's a pharmacist.
Eh?
There's one pharmacist for South Murango.
Eh. Uko na hakika you are not selling drugs? Na niliona mtu alikamatwa juzi huko akiuza dawas.
Yeah, we handled that case.
Eh. Eh. Haya. Kwa mtu mzuri. Sasa umesema jina ni? Angima. Hiyo jina ikigia kichwa yangu naona tu ile kazi ilikuwa inafanyika hapa mbaya. Dr. Matiko, unajua tu umesimamia. Sawa.
Dr. Morebu has come for Yabe.
Daktari, how are you? That a Yabe place, bro. What is happening with it? Eh? What have you tried? Where were you before? Kiumbu. Okay. Haya, hiyo mahali nilikuja usiku nikapata ni mbaya sana. Wewe ulikuwa umelala by the time I was going round. Yeah, I found nothing complete going on. Tutakaa chini uniambie how we can sort out the problem. Uniambie what is there, the problem, we fix it. Tuone kama tutatengeneza hiyo hospitali. Sasa? Yeah.
We have Dr. Mkwaya here, the Director of Public Health, Richard Okwad.
Public Health?
Director of Public Health, yes.
There is a lady we brought from the sub-county, asimamia mambo ya public health in town. We mama, now I'm told she used to be very good. Sylvia. What happened? I'm told amekuja hapa town amenyamaza. What is Sylvia?
She's still in Ktrh South, in charge of Ktrh.
But we brought her here. Ama ni nani yule? There is a lady we brought. I'm told is a strong woman.
She's the one who was in town previously.
Yeah.
And of course, she did a good job. But I haven't seen any posting to town.
What happened? I did ask that she be brought to town here.
Your Excellency, now you have guided.
No, I did communicate long time ago.
No, Sylvia.
Nasikia mama hata hizi ng'ombe zinatembea hapa kama atapata zote anatuma ziende zichinjwe. You know, she's a very tough woman.
She was effective.
Eh?
She had
Make sure your mama amerudi hapa.
Shall do that.
I want order in town. Sasa?
Yes, Excellency.
Kufika lini? Today ni lini?
Today is on Monday.
Haya, tafuta mtu wa replacement huko, wacha kutupa good brains, watu wako na strength mzuri, wacha warudi hapa watusaidie. I'm told she's a strong woman. Eh? Hata simjui. She's. Haya, leta yeye. Hakisha kwamba amekuja. Kenyenya nobody. Yes. Ndugu, habari yako? Your name is? Kimani. Where is the doctor? SMH, Wanaina.
SMH told me she's unwell.
Yeah. Is
called,
it true? Eh?
She called me this morning. Indicating that she's unwell. That some handling issues around that facility that I should be able to share with you maybe.
Okay. Hebu mwambia ataweza kuja tuongee na yeye.
And actually request that she comes.
Yeah.
Probably Wednesday, but I'll call her again and see.
Yeah, let her come. Nisikie. because she's one of the doctors, I just, who is a hard-working doctor, therefore I don't expect what the story I'm hearing.
Agenda of
Ye-
discussion.
Yeah. Actually, nikipata kwamba we can even bring her here. Tukipata kwamba there is a problem, we don't expect the doctors to leave. Kama kuna difficulties the other side, lazima we must be able to help her. She's a very strong woman. Again, ni mama mzuri tu. Ni mama mzuri, but inaonekana there is, wacha akuje kwanza anieleze.
Nilikuwa nimemuita Williams.
Sasa, that's Kenyenya. Who is not here?
I think one of them now.
Marani yuko, Nyamarambe, Iyabe. Rihanna nimesikia imeisha.
Diana Meisha, yes, yes, they are doing equipment. They are about 70% done in equipment.
Haya, siwache tuangalie basi tuone dawa. Yes.
Yeah, Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for the support you have given KEMSA. First, greetings from our CEO. And we thank you for the support you've given KEMSA over the time. And I want to specifically thank your team, led by Madam Gladys and the CEC, and the technical team that have been very supportive. The fee rate you see we've realized today is because of the collective effort. We work together, and they help us we help each other monitor the stocks, then they're able to place their order. What I can guarantee you is that going forward, KEMSA, we have actually embarked on a turnaround strategy that is meant to ensure optimum stocks of commodities. Right now, we have quite a number of tenders that are running, especially for tracer items. God willing, by December, our fee rate will be higher. I know we've realized 99.9% of the LPO, but 58% of your wish list. So, as KEMSA, we are working towards to ensure that we have optimum stocks of what our customers need. Please allow me to mention that Kisii is one of the star counties in this region. You have actually supported KEMSA. You have procured consistently, and your credit profile is up to date. And thanks to the chief, she came in, inherited quite a number of debts together with the CEC. They have ensured that those debts have been paid. Your credit profile is impressive, Your Excellency. We thank you. And what I can just say, thank you for being that partner. Thank you for choosing KEMSA as your one-stop healthcare provider. We look forward to better working relationships, and we hope we'll be able to satisfy all your needs. In the near future, we will be able to satisfy all your needs. Thank you so much for standing with us. Thank you so much. Even when we were swimming against the tides, you stood by us. We are grateful. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm told that so far we have been able to. We got it at 80-something million. Apart from this, we could be less than 50 million in debt. It was 87.
It was at 87, yes. 7 million. Yeah, that is the debt. But looking at the way the payments have been coming in, this is one customer we can say you have done well.
All right.
And that is why we say we do not want to lose. And then the best thing about Kisii County is that you consistently procure from KEMSA. You procure quarterly and you procure from KEMSA. Occasionally, when there are delays in procurement, we understand. Because of late disbursement of funds from the Treasury, we understand. But you have been our biggest support system in the region.
But there is a drug which was recalled. KEMSA even procured it, but it was recalled by Poisons Board.
And that is the beauty about procuring from KEMSA. Any quality issues, they are tracked down. We recall the commodity, we send our team, our QA team to mop up, and we do a replacement. That is the beauty about procuring from KEMSA.
Right.
Thank
That's good.
you.
That's good. I would love to have a discussion with the SMH in 2 minutes. Kubaliana na wao peke yao bila hii umati. Sijui kama tusimame hapo. Madaktari SMH. Nataka tusimame na nyinyi dakika moja tu hapo.
Pharmaceutical, non-pharmaceutical, something they have.
Sasa napata aje picha zangu?
Picha.
Some of the photos that we have made social media
Hata huyu.
Nipatieni tu namba zenu. Nichukue namba 9.
Moncho Murgiria, Nigotore, Senyagitaria Kisi, teaching at the Referral Hospital. Moncho Murini Goturekura Senyagitari ya Kisi, teaching at the Referral Hospital. As Mugavana we County ya Kisi, Muskepolo Simba Arati, Asentunda Inde, Chire, ko frag, wase ko igorera amaria ko cyase Kinyagitari, chochi korokwachi dispensary amone chili Nyagitari chinde imeye County ya Kisi. Kurengana nase bono iga kiroro chekuna gasene kora chibiche chiga nigo tugasene ko korokia chibiche chechigari echichibogoreti amariogo ase ensemo iga ya Kisi Teaching and Referral Hospital iga ase County ya Kisi. Moncho Murira nigotete okorokia kurwa ase chigari chiga chiwate amariogo ayare amariogo narega kwenda dispensary Samita dispensary igariga kwenda ase Nyagitari ya Samita dispensary. Part of this vehicle namurioga nigarute ase ekam arwete kurwa ase nsemo ya Kemsa ya korokia nga naigo aikiranete because ase ngencho nsemo ya Kemsa nero kwenda na amariogo gochia ase abantu bonsi ba ensemo ya Kenya nonye nabo yekatose korokia ya mase emo chigare chigani go chire chigari chikwandikira sub county ye county ya Kisi weika asenseme gantu bwate enseme yende ayigani yako yanda asenseme ya Otamba dispensary ye ni gotoka ase ward ya Kiogoro ime ye county ya Kisi ye konekya nga kira ensemo wosikira ensema se dispensary gotoka ase county ya Kisi Nyagitari ndio gotoka me county ya Kisi nguchere konyora amariogo ayakwena no disikodia rero amuno mugavana we county ya Kisi Muske Paul Simba Arati. Asenseme iga iganie kwenda senseme kurukonere bumachoge burabu ensemo ya magina dispensary some parts ase igariga nigo ko bamario wika asenseme ina to koriki kura sinseme chiga singincho nigo to tete kwaneke buna no kwaneke koranga amariogo achire kira ensemo wasekira ase sub county ime county ya Kisii kuikira senseme iga nigo kwenda ase nyagitari ya Kisii level 5 hospital aiga naro agocha asensemo yenyagitari iga asensemo ya Kitutu Chache South me county ya Kisii ange na bosongo niga bakwate education back direction wika asoko genda no kuna enchire ndi abene ko ne kira chigare chiga chikwa nantu bote nensemo iga kwa na sensemo iga ya Bombure dispensary me South Mugirango me county ya Kisii irigo chikwaneke nga amari kongo ikale kira ensemo ingati yari to korokya asali agasene gokorekana kurwa asensemo iga ya magacho a Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital Ktrh bina bandu bamaite iga kwanda gucha sub county district hospital ime ya bumachoge chache ime county ya Kisii ningebwate ebintu amulego aina au kera asensemeyo na kura asensemeiga niga kwanda sakwana kurukonya bioto dispensary ye kutoka chinsemo cha abonchari ime ye county ya Kisii na gati ya samo chintu bwate akwana nyaribari ndubwate ndakogenda nyamagwa asensemeiga ikiro kuriga igalini bwate amulego kwanda kirase so bana bakoburenga nene mono chigali chiga chibwate amariogo nga ichikwana asensemuki korengana bunegali buneyiga orocha sensemuiga niye bwate angechi location isano echi ekokoba amariogo ase ritko lya rero aja kwena kiwa kwenanwa amono mu governor of county ya Kisii kuro ga samagacho Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital wetra asensemuiga kurwa ase igari ne kwira amariogo chisamchanya magwanya bioto amonensemo yende natika korra aiga yekorokwa nyansacha dispensary eyingati yari agasine gokorekana eketwasine kwanyira mu governor of county ya Kisii ekiragasine kwandira kwiroberia amonenchera ende yo kwigorera amoryoga iga gucha ase chinsemo au gocha egotoka ime ye county iga ya Kisii okuno kwanekanga amoryogo ngosoka ale gucha ase abantu na gochikwanekya kwana na oboro area gucha ase abantu au bali babeire bakutwara emechando ya amariogo ekinegento yakorekanire ase kyakorekana ase county ya Kisii ase entunda engen kegima gesomo governor of county ya Kisii musike Paul Simba Arati anyara kubaka goswa ase obugambi gendera gutubwata ayemase yemo ekira tugasine kokwene kiria gokoretera ayemase yemo sagasine korekana kurwa ase ensemeiga ye county ya Kisii na anene mono ali mu governor of county ya Kisii musike Paul Simba Arati agasine gokwene kiria ase ritukeriga lya rero chitarikirero chire chitariki kianda chomutenyo chitariki kianja mutenyo ikome mwaka bwo chibere 2023 ritkoria Jumatatu ritkori nyekegima ase nyekegima ime yomutenya oyiga oikomi kendera ko bamunencho tose chugukwarekanira anene mono tuchikumanya ngati ki ya mariogo ki aria abugoiri ase chigare chiga because amariogo na are china mbali tuchikumanya nsemo ki ya mariogo ari abugoiri ase chigare chiga ime aya chukokobwa gocha ase chinseme chiga chabamanyi be county ya Kisii eri chukwanekya na koreta mwangana yobochenu ko korekana asencherere yobwekirano kigima na gotaburwa kwa amariogo gocha ase nyagitari cheito echichire ange no mwananchi uyo mete me county ya Kisii ikirango chukokorera no mete buna asensemo yiga ya numeta senseme yiga ya mangana yobogwenia mangana ya obochenu nigo iranitiwe gocha ase county government iye kwanekya kira mu governor we county kwanekya ngankoretare mangana yobochenu gokorekana ase nchirere ngororo na kwenda na mwario gocha saba manyi abamete gocha ase ensemo iyo ase akogamba kurende kendera kuba amunintwe ase enseme yiga tuchukumanya mange nchini konkuru kunyabito Dennis kusina bwancha undangeri kukurikuntu kirangasi nukwariganiria amangana kurwa ase amagacho ayiga Ktrh kabamo nintwe wika omwerio
chake fresh na naomba gavana anapokagua gari pamoja na CC Health, CEO Health, CEO Ktrh, Co-Director wa Ktrh.
Cold fridge.
Keep up.
So these are all the cold fridge which
Okay.
are going to each facility. So the going to
Na wale madaktari mko na fridges kwenu? Ziko.
Sub-county pharmacists, I think they can handle that.
Dr. Matiko, kile hospitali iko na cold fridge.
If you have challenges, like was in even, but I went with the engineer, the biomedical engineer, so that then he addresses those issues. That was on Friday, so I expect him to have a look at all the reports and the complaints, so that then he can address it.
Okay.
But what we do now is for those facilities that do not have, then they use the next facility. So they log in what they have taken there, so they can go from there as the system goes on.
Hii peke yake ndio mmeleta ama ziko zingine pale? Oh,
58 facilities.
58 facilities.
So all of them are being labeled per facility.
Oh. Sasa. Kwa hivyo do I check, I flag off one ama ni, si ndio? All of them.
Then we flag one.
Sasa. Hatutaki kufanya biashara ikifanyika mahali pengine. Unajua we may end up
This is another one vehicle.
yes. Are there drugs inside here?
Yeah.
Hii ni gani? Which sub-county is this?
So it's applying to all facilities.
Nyamagwa, Nyaribari Chache. It's going round.
Yes.
In all the facilities.
All facilities.
Yes.
So yes.
Uko na wacha niende juu bwana. Hii biashara nitaambiwa kuna dawa.
So you can open one.
Yeah. Wacha tuone. Lakini KEMSA mtaweza leta boxes empty.
No way.
Na ile ilifanyika huko, what happened?
It was not ours. They have not procured the last financial year from us.
But we can check the time. So these are the syringes. Which are inside.
Okay. Sasa. Yeah, ziko naona ziko.
So these are indicated as per the facilities and
This is which facility is this? Ekerwa.
Ktrh dispensary. Tigolianya Vara.
All right.
Yeah.
That's given. I can see there is drugs. Na hii ni ya Gucha sub-county.
Bogembo.
Dr. nani yule? Samora. Wewe na watu wako naona kwamba this is Gucha.
Ucha ni sesi kenyenyae tabu.
Kwa hivyo I don't want to hear the story kwamba hakuna dawa hospitalini tafadhali. Because you are in charge of all those facilities, again with your ability, make sure kwamba everything is set. Sasa? Yeah. Kuna dawa ndani, kwa hivyo I don't expect ama mmeweka condom ndani. Lakini the good thing is KEMSA.
Hata condom ni dawa.
Hata condom ni dawa. Aya. Where do I? Where put mimi? Sebu, daktari, bring this box. I see if there is anything inside. Okay.
These are the copacs for the kids. Kids
Okay. Ziko.
pack
Okay.
the tablets inside.
Okay. You know, ziko. Kwa hivyo hata hizi ziko, I can confirm kwamba dawa ziko. Yeah. This is which sub-county? From Nyakeo. Yeah.
Why we are doing a maternity ward?
Nyakeo is the one we opened the other day.
Yes.
Ama? Mahali kuna chief na nini? Yeah. That's the place. Haya. Tafadhali, I don't want to hear watu waniambie gavana hakuna dawa. Na dawa ya nyoka. What do you call it?
Antivenom.
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 Mmenunua?
Yes.
They are there?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, you know that's a song we used to sing. Kwamba hakuna. Kwa hivyo I hope every sub county iko nayo. Sasa. Haya. This is Bobas. A check.
Kitutu chache.
And Iranda.
Si kitutu chache is here.
Yeah, Iranda, even Ktrh Church North. They are mixed.
They are mixed.
What happens in this circumstance, Kwamba they are mixed this way?
The vehicle will go
The
around.
routing.
Oh, it,
The
oh,
routing, yeah. We load as per the routes.
Yeah, yes.
So if we have facilities within that same route, so we route that this lorry will go towards that direction.
But you
Drop
see-
one facility, go to the next.
But you see, madam, Bobas is this side. Ktrh Church is this side. Kwa hivyo, like this one Iranda is the far end near Nyamira. And this one, Nyamacha and Nyacheki, Narok.
I'll find out from the transporter.
Eh?
But all of them will be delivered.
Sasa.
What days.
What happens, Your Excellency? Ktrh South is in here, so they start from Ktrh South, which is a one facility, then they go the other side.
But there is north. Iranda is where?
South.
South.
Oh, it's the south?
Yeah, it's just next year.
Oh,
Yes,
wanaanzia hapa karibu.
Wanaanzia South.
Sasa.
Yes. So we don't incur any transport cost.
Hiyo tumemaliza gari ngapi?
The fourth one.
This is for Kiogoro, this is Nyaribari Church. Again, I want to give a benefit of doubt kwamba kwa sababu is KEMSA, I can be able to get a report from the facilities kwamba zilifika.
And our team is accompanying the trucks. The BTU team,
Yes.
inspection and acceptance team, and the SMHs.
Oh,
Yeah.
they are,
accompanying them. Yeah.
The HBTU team.
They will make sure that they
and I want to see that HBTU team
Yes, yes.
now.
Yes.
Hii ni ya?
Magena dispensary, that is for Machoge.
This is Machoge Borabu.
Yes.
I expect revenue from this consignment. It should be better than before. Sasa.
we have agreed with the SMHs. We have given targets.
Yeah, and SMHs again,
Yeah.
it's important for us to know what drugs are there in the shelves.
Some of these facilities they don't collect revenue, like Imagine does it. Not every facility, because it's only
And you know these are low cost
low cost, yeah.
drugs.
Only level 4 is collect revenue.
Okay, but even level 4, they are the ones to support level 3 and 2. Yeah,
Kitutu Chake South.
even Kisi prison, mnakuanga nayo? GK prisons.
GK facilities.
Yeah. Do you charge? It's for is a dispensary. Oh, okay. I can see a number of them, yes. Ambona mtu hajai niambia juu ya hii dispensary?
Is there, Your Excellency, amongst the 158?
161.
Eh,
Wafungwa wanapima.
wafungwa hawana pesa, lazima wasaidiwe. Na ni watu wetu.
Yes.
Eh. Sasa. What is this, Dr. Matiko?
That's dextrose. It's
Oi.
sugar.
Oh, ndio ile watu walikuwa hapo wakikuja hapo wanaambiwa waende wanunue nje. Dr. sometime back, isn't it? So walikuwa wanaambiwa kwenda nunua, mtu anawekewa. Daktari. Si ndio? The normal saline walikuwa wanatumwa nje, but now I'm happy that they are going even to the dispensaries. But again, we need to get the data of the people using it. Unajua inawezekana ifike dispensary. The good thing, daktari, tumekubaliana nyinyi story yetu. Vile you'll manage these businesses around. Yeah.
tunasema gavana Nasidi kukagua gari kuhakikisha kuwa dawa iko ndani. Anakagua gari zote.
Kenyoro. This is Bobasi again. Yeah. Okay. Wewe ndio uko hapa? Okay. Sasa, that's okay. Just flag them off. Hii ni gani? Oh.
So we're not inside, eh?
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
then once we flag off, we are going to return them to the truck so that they can go to the remand.
Okay.
Waende upande ya juu. Tusogee upande ya juu wetu. Tusogee juu, wale watu huko watoke juu. Haya, tuache hapa media, watu wasimame pale. Nichukue fursa hii kwa heshima nimkaribishe waziri wetu wa health Bwana Nakweba ili aweze kuendelea. Karibu waziri.
Okay, asante sana wananchi wa Ktrh kwa kufika hapa kwa wingi. Your Excellency, we are so grateful that you have found time to come and flag off these drugs that are going to all our facilities in the county. And we want to request our people that now we have drugs. Please make sure that these drugs that have been provided by the government don't be tempted to go and buy drugs from outside, because now we have drugs in the facilities, and let us take care of these drugs so that they can help our people. Your Excellency, this is your day. I want to request that you talk to your people so that drugs can now start moving to our sub-counties. Welcome, Your Excellency.
I think it's afternoon. Good afternoon. Let me point out that now we were able to flag drugs worth around 24 million Kenya shillings out of the 39 million that we had ordered from KEMSA. What is there in the store of KEMSA is what we have gotten. Anything that was not procurable from KEMSA, we're going to procure them from other service providers, all factories. I want to direct that all SMHs, I'm happy that SMHs are here. The SMHs are the doctors in charge of those facilities. Actually, they're in charge of sub-counties hospitals from level 4 all the way to level 2 and 1, isn't it? Yes. Yes. I have very capable doctors here. Apart from the little challenges which are there, I've promised that I'm going to address. But again, we have asked them. They are going to get the data as it were with what we have gotten from KEMSA. Every drug, we will track down to every patient who got the drug. Therefore, at the moment, I've agreed with the doctors, which information I don't want to divulge here, what we are going to do. I'm happy that our security team, at the sub-counties, they are those ones who are doing very well. Like in South Mgrango, level 4, we saw the other day they arrested one of the county staff who was walking away with a sack of drugs. That person, I'm sure, ameenda nyumbani. Kama hajaenda, sijui anafanya nini. Waziri sijui huyo mtu anafanya nini. Because kama umepea show cause, lazima amefanya na you have dismissed that person. Hatuna biashara, kama anataka kula dawa, aenda apike dawa na kwenda mahali anakwenda. We can't entertain that kind of nonsense around. I want to assure all the resident of Kisii, that we have enough drugs. You have no business going to private facilities. Tuko na dawa ya kutosha. And now I want to confirm, periodically we'll be purchasing these drugs to make sure in stores of our all facilities have enough drugs. Even the drugs that we used to sing at the time of the campaign, the venom, the anti-what?
Snake.
And snake, it's procured.
Dawa zote ziko, and we have very good doctors. Yes, the county was free for all. Now the doctors, they have taken charge, and that is a good thing. That we are going to give them room. They are not going to be intimidated. Apart from one facility, I'm told, residents of Kenya, I want to request, leave the doctors to do their work. Kindly. Those busybodies, we can't give you room. You will go to social media, abuse me, but we will not give you room to intimidate doctors. Doctors must work for the sick people. If you have your activism, take it wherever you would take it. But we're not going to allow anybody to do those things. And I'm going to direct the county commander, the county commissioner will agree on how to deal with those specific individuals. Tukipata serikali kwa ifanye kazi mzuri, we will go in ourselves because we will know how to go about it. We're not going to allow people start intimidating, harassing doctors who are supposed to do the right thing. Kwa hivyo nataka niombe na nataka niongee kwa Kisii, hawa mravali moko iroka nga you are chi activist. Koro activist mune mo koragochi. But ntoko baarao mwanze kwara saba nyagitali baokonya abantu barwalite. Ntoko banja. You can do that one elsewhere. Ufanye kwa kijiji yako, kwa nyumba yako, lakini not kwa watu ambao ni wagonjwa. Here, I know the appetite has not gone down for those ones who love to eat drugs. Eating in terms of stealing. We will kill the appetite. Hata kama mko na miungu gani, hata kama mko na mwanasiasa gani, you will not stand on our way. We'll fix it. Kwa hivyo nataka niwaombe tafadhali watu tuheshimiane, tusaidie watu ambao ni wagonjwa, especially in the health sector. We'll fix it. I've directed that when I went round, I saw Gembo which didn't have. Gembo is a big hospital. Every evening, there is around 25 women who are delivering because the catchment is big. But the hospital is down. I promise that I'm putting some 100 million in the supplementary to come out with a facility in Ogembo. Kesusu, the Dr. Monda, congratulations. You kept that facility clean. It's clean. Thank you. We go to Keumbu, Dr. Mtonga, thank you. You have kept it, and I'm happy to report that all our facilities, they have gone cashless. Hakuna biashara, na naomba tafadhali watu usiende ulipe pesa cash. Weka kwa M-Pesa, utalipa kwa pay bill yetu hospitalini. And these other many facilities, including level 5. I'm happy that Dr. Marita, you are doing a good job. Tusisifu, unajua kuna wakati nasema unamsifu mgema, analitia tembo nini? Maji. Tafadhali usitie tembo maji, my brother. Make sure kwamba we deliver. Usisikize story nyingi, watu wataongea. This facility, we have gone cashless. Hakuna shilingi hata moja inashikwa na mtu. Kuna wale walikuwa nadhania kwamba tutafanya biashara ya eti Simba na okota pesa. There is no money we are going to collect cash from any facility. Lazima kila pesa iende kwa account. Na hapo is auditable. Kwa hivyo, unajua Kiswahili inasema kwamba maasidi hawana sababu. Ukimuuliza hata sababu gani na kuchukia ana, eti ni kwa sababu kuna sura nyeusi, ama wewe ni mrefu, wewe ni mfupi. Kwa mambo ya matibabu, we are not going to give any excuses. Kwa hivyo, madaktari, I want to plead with you once more, my brothers and sisters. Tafadhali, let us fix where on stage. And I've seen all of you, wengi, mko chini ya miaka yangu. You can imagine. Nimeshinda nyinyi mwaka moja. Mtu yule amenishinda, wale nimeona SMH ni mtu amenishinda mwaka moja peke yake. Kwa hivyo we are at same age what? Bracket. Wacha, let it be our time to have fixed the situation of health in our county. Other businesses, nyinyi siasa tuache sisi, tutatusiana na wale wanasiasa, sisi wacha tufanye kazi. Nyinyi fanya kazi. KEMSA, we want to thank you. So far, I'm happy we have paid your debts and will pay at any given time. Mnatupea requisition, ama mnatupea, what do you call it? Invoice. No, invoice. Tutalipa nyinyi. Yeah. Na nyinyi mweke bidii dawa ikuja mapi for delivery. Kwa hivyo I want to wish all my people in the county
good health, na Mungu asaidie sisi dawa ambao mtapata, mtafanya nini? Mpone. Otherwise, thank you. I want to recognize the MCS, the chairman of health is with me here, Mheshimiwa Amos Onderi na Mheshimiwa Socha from Ichuni ward. They came to see what we are doing this morning. Others, thank you and God bless you. Ikusi, mwiwe tike kusi na kwan. Adnakwan na kemo yoga. Nganchere ntebenga abantu baminto andonse smole. Gusiye ngima chi constituency kianda chi ward 45 amaliogo lero twanyaenanire koruga iga Ktrh amaliogo naro kemsa yatoete naro abolete aliabolete onsipi nkonyagora tole achiche anyari kurwali abantu baminto ekere kuwa rwali manyandi oboki kwaewa ntule tuanze gwakira abantu esim tumaye gose nimbarwate gose nobokora abantu baitu bakwiba amaliogo na inu abantu baitu kuruchi ward kababa skali taroro manyangi kigendrete senya hekitari yaino ekera maliogo toena ni to basa kugenda kugora maliogo isiko tugura liogo linde lyonsi isiko ekera maliogo nsipi achire na nyuma yako level 3 2 1 aina maliogo abantu bakoegwa osabatali wakana lakini level 4 na level 5 lazima abantu bakane iboga akyo wanje kweno genda nyagitali mpaka no ene lyogo lyengiti livye kerengiti yakoromire achire asiki dispensary chaino engo saba mulende amali ina yeno maliogo tani na ende to soko enda nyagitali ojikuya maliogo amango beke nyomba yaya twatebira maliogo bono kirengaki elyo likoera lazima tulibe korro ngekero munyagitali akoera ko elyogo lyokugwena lyikele to soko beka maliogo nyomba kwa bikiri lyogo nyagnyomba na boligo expire na ndira nyalira bakobe sumu ligoite goto basikubuli maliogo mande gochinka ndio mwanonye saba sisi.
Asante kwa heshima bwana wetu kwa kazi nzuri anafanya. Kwa sasa naomba wengine wote tusogee nyuma kwa sababu gavana anataka kulaunch officially. Kabla ya hilo wale SMOs wote kutoka sub county hospital madaktari wetu wakae nyuma. Waziri karibu na wapanga sasa, waziri karibu na governor, chief officer tukaa hapo, chairman wa assembly. Haya, wale madaktari wako nyuma tusogee mbele tukae karibu kabisa na governor anapo launch. Tupige makofi sasa. Gari ya kwanza inaondoka, tuache ipite kabisa, ambapo madawa sasa ziko sub county hospitals, ziko dispensary zetu zote. Gari ya pili KAT 970N vile ndio hiyo. Makofi tafadhali inapopita, inaenda South Mogirango, ambapo KDM ndio hiyo inaenda Bobasi napopita. Makofi tafadhali wananchi, nashukuru sana. Inayokuja sasa KCU inaenda Kitutu Chache North kuanzia kule Marani. Makofi tafadhali. Asante sana. Inayokuja sasa gari inayokuja KBS, tafadhali KBS inakuja ambaye inaenda Bomachoge Borabu. Makofi tafadhali. Inayokuja KDM 127D, gavana anairuhusu rasmi kwenda kule Nyaribari Masaba. Pige makofi tafadhali napoondoka tafadhali traffic kule mbele. Yapo, sogea chini. Gavana sogea chini. Inayokuja sasa Ktrh inaenda Bonchari. Makofi tafadhali. Gavana wetu anapopeana madawa kwenda hospitali zetu. Inakuja KTM inaenda Nyaribari Chache, Kiungu na hospitali zote za Nyaribari Chache. Asante sana. Inayokuja Kitutu Chache South au pita sasa, makofi tafadhali Kitutu Chache South. Asante sana, gari zote naenda Bomachoge Chache. Tunamshukuru gavana wetu kwa kazi nzuri kuhakikisha madawa yote yamefika